Let's look at the process for altering images within a PDF. We'll start off in Adobe Acrobat DC. With the document open that we want to edit, we'll just right-click on the image and then click Edit Text and Images. Now we have the ability to resize the image and also to move it around and place it where we want to within the document. And once we're done making any alterations, just close out this menu and then save the document to make the changes. Now let's look at this process with Nuance Pvt. We have the document open here in Pvt, and we'll go up to Edit, and then click Edit Object. And now we'll click on the image that we want to make alterations to. And now we have the ability to resize the image. And we can also drag the image around to replace it. Now with Pvt, we also have the option to apply some different filters. And now I'm going to make the image black and white for better visibility. Now just save the document to save any changes you've made. And that's it.